Sleuths of CBI Anti-Corruption Bureau ACB today raided the residence of a senior accounting officer of Accountant General AG at Sagolban, Mainolairag in IMPHAL West. The raid was carried out under the supervision of ACB Superintendent of Police Kamrang. The raid came after receiving reliable information about possession of assets disappropriate to his known source of income. A large amount of cash, jewelries and documents were confiscated from the residence of Ibothem by CBI team during the raid. Manipur MAHUD Minister Okram Henry stressed on the need of keeping IMPHAL city clean, besides underlining on the need of opening a call center in the state for listening to grievances of the public. He said this during a function to kick off an IMPHAL Clean campaign at IMPHAL's Samumakhong. BJP Bishnupur District Committee Secretary Sanasam Premchandra has assured of uplifting the life of farming community and curbing poverty in KUMBI constituency of Bishnupur District under the initiative of the state government and centre as well. He was extending aid to residents of Wangu, Sandangkhong Awang Ward No. 7 affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. A combined team of Moray Commando and 43 Assam Rifles arrested a cadre belonging to the band KYKL last night at Moray. The arrested has been identified as Ningthaujam Yaima Meitei, aged 25 years, also known as Poideiton, son of an Amuba Meitei of Lamsang, Haurang Saban Laikai, presently staying at Khurai Larigengbam Laikai, according to a police report. Relief Committee against COVID-19 Hairok Kendra today distributed relief materials to the residents of Hairok Nagar Panchayat Ward No. 1 and 2 declared as containment zone. The items were distributed under the supervision of Hairok MLA Thokchom Radhesham with assistance from councillors of the wards and local clubs volunteers. The number of coronavirus infections reported in a span of 24 hours remained below 60,000 for the fourth consecutive day yesterday, as India's caseload went past 77 lakh, while recoveries have crossed 68 lakh, according to data updated by the Union Health Ministry. A media report said the COVID-19 caseload mounted to 77 lakh 6,946, with 55,839 new infections being reported in a day, while the deaths climbed to 1,16,616 with 702 more fatalities. The data updated at 8 a.m. show. The National Testing Agency NTA will conduct joint entrance examination JEE Main in more regional languages for admission to the National Institutes of Technology, NITs, and other engineering colleges, Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Shishank said yesterday. The NTA conducted the entrance tests in 3 languages this year: English, Hindi, and Gujarati.